What up, too? Today is Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday, July 25th. Getting ready to head out. Headed to Vegas, baby. Raider ticket time. So me and my lady are about to head out right now to Las Vegas, Nevada. So today's vlog basically is not barber related, in case you guys are wondering. You know, as many of you guys know from my prior vlogs, in case you haven't heard, I am a avid diehard Raider fan. Always have been for life, for my whole life. I'm a season ticket holder in Oakland. So you guys that follow the NFL know that the Raiders are going to be moving to Las Vegas in 2020. So they already started building the stadium, and I plan on buying season tickets in Las Vegas. So today is the day that they summons for me to come down there, and we're gonna go to the Las Vegas Welcome Center. And right there, they're gonna have virtual reality of what our seats are gonna be at, and we get to pick our seats today and start paying for our PLS, which is, you know, the taxation of them building a new stadium. It is what it is. If I want to be a season ticket holder, which I've always wanted to be, I mean, I am right now already. You know, it's just something that I want. You know, when you work hard, play hard. So if you work and you earn it, you know what I mean. You definitely, if you can afford it, you know what I mean. And and it's gonna be tight. I'm not gonna lie, but you know, I'm gonna make it work. I just do more haircuts. That's what it is. So we're headed over there today. Just gonna stop right now, get some drinks and stuff, and then go back, fill up my ice chest, and then we're gonna head out. And I should be in Vegas probably. We get on the freeway by 10. I should get there for sure by 1 o'clock. So it'll be prime time. It'll be I'm gonna probably pull over. I got my drone with me. I'm gonna try to get some visual of where the new stadium's gonna be at. So we're on a mission this weekend, guys, and we're gonna meet some friends up there too that my girl's friends are. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a little adventure. So I'm gonna head out, and then I'll stay in contact with you. I'm gonna put some video up of on the way down there, so you guys can see what the scenic route is from here to Las Vegas. It's a beautiful ride. So it's about 3 hours to Las Vegas. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. All right. Links Hotel, it's not bad. It's pretty nice. Check it out. Nice little room. King size bed right there. Got a little closet right there. My girl's hiding. And then check it out. This is our view from up here. It's crazy. Just look at this. We're gonna put our bathing suits on and go down there right now. Nah, actually, we don't have time. We have to be at the Raider Center and the Raider Welcome Center by 5 o'clock. But it's craziness right here. Look at this. It's bad.
That pool looks like they're pissing in it. Look at trying to get on the shark in the shallow water. He fucking fell off.
That guy?
Yeah, look at. He's trying to get up. No, I think he's mad.
Stupid shark!
He put it in. Look at, with his beer. Now you know why he fell off. I wish you would have cut that on video.
I think I did. So we're headed right now to the preview center, the Raiders preview center. Me and my lady, and we're just gonna try to pick the best seats that we can find right now, that we can afford, right, baby?
Yep.
See what we get. I'm thinking black hole. I don't know. We'll see. Straight, baby. Here right now to the Raiders preview center. Check it out, guys. We're about to go in right now. We have an appointment at 5 o'clock. See what we got in here. So we're walking into the preview center right here, guys. Check it out. Look at this. Sick! Oh yeah, baby! Shoo! Look at that.
We can never forget those great fans. We'll always be definitely
Look at
see you all in Australia.
They're showing the stadium launch.
And have you all individually introduced for the roar of the crowd.
Damn, sign me up. We're here at the preview center, guys. Check it out. All you fans out there, you guys don't got these right here. Look at that. Damn, baby. Not one, not two, but 3 Super Bowls. 3. 3. That's 3 more than the Chargers. That's 2 more than the one more than the Donkeys. And it's 2 more than the Broncos. Whoa, baby.
Mine shines just like that. Look at that. Ooh.
Sounds better, actually. Check it out, guys.
Yes, if it takes 24 hours, that's not a problem. We can try and schedule the time to get everything squared away. If that's, obviously we understand people need to move money around and that kind of stuff. So the only thing is, like Sean's time, just not able to hold the location. But, this is obviously, like I said, a no pressure, like sales thing. Like, the buyers is we're meeting right now. But yeah, we can connect.
And there's going to be 3 screens in here, huh? This is what we settled on, guys. This is going to be our view. 2 seats. Gotta go with what you can afford. We're going to go with 2 seats. Welcome to the top deck. Yeah, baby. I don't care. We're in the new stadium. It is, guys. This is what your team don't have. Most of your teams. Especially if you're a Charger fan. We left regular people, we're coming back. Season ticket holders, how about it?
Yep.
Me and my girl are ending our night tonight. Look at the size of that pancake. Look at my hand. Oh, my hand's bigger. Rain with a sunny sky.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.